Hello guys, Colonel Mini here. This series of video tutorials is designed for the brand new player to IL-2's Battle of Stalingrad. It's a very realistic and complex flight sim, and there's a lot to learn to get good at it. And to help you get there faster, check out my channel. I have over 100 tutorials to help guide your progress to excellence. This is Lightning Strikes Mission 7. In this mission, we're going to hit the rail targets in the same area that we were there without much success on a previous mission. So that's this red line set of railways down here. Heavy cloud cover, no precipitation, that's all good. Winds coming from the northwest. So a bit of a push getting there and no push coming back. Planned altitude is 4,000 feet. If we keep Bonn in the south, the lakes to the west, and Cologne to the north, we will be in the target area. And egress is going to be 248 from this position here. And one thing we haven't been doing up to this point on this aircraft is to check the specifications and the operational features regarding the turbo supercharger. What it wants you to do before takeoff is to put the brakes on and increase the power to 54 inches so the turbocharger is working properly for takeoff. So brakes on, full pressure to 54 inches. Well, let's go. Level at 4,070 on the clock, and there's the town of Liège on the river. Okay, now you tell me what that little town is down there on the river. If you said a whale in 2615 keypad 9, you are correct. And dead ahead are 3 lakes basically in a row. That tells us we're slightly off track. Where are we? 1, 2, 3 lakes in a row. That means we're over here, not over there. So we've arrived over Gimnich and these lakes, and we're going to look for our targets right here. We've arrived just south of Cologne, and there's our first target, heading to the west. There's a ship down there as well, but our priority is the trains. We've got a leak here, so we know what that did to us last time, so we'll come down and finish this guy off. I think the flak is down. Do some guns on this one. And I'm damaged. Need to head home. 247 on the way home. And remember what we talked about last time was that if we keep the power up at max, we'll burn the fuel instead of letting it all pour out the back there like it's doing. So that's a better option. So I'm going to raise it to 54 inches and 30 on the RPM. So I've climbed up a bit here. And remember that we can only maintain this higher power setting, this combat setting, for 15 minutes. So don't forget or you'll cook your engines and you won't make it home. Okay, time to bring the power back to 44 and 26, the normal cruise setting. And look at our temperatures and pressures. Good. Fuel is still good. The results of this mission speak for themselves. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you for mission 8.
As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment.